Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be speaking about a case study with our partner Tolomatic within the food and beverage industry for a food processing and filling machine. In this video, we'll look at the backstory, the challenge the company faced, the solution and the customer benefits. The application is a filling application that requires a frequent container change and washdown. The challenge was the speed and flexibility to accommodate many sizes and shapes of the containers, and an electric actuator was needed to replace the mechanical cams on a line filling machine. The electric actuator had to move the filling unit 10 mm above the product container and move down 20 mm within half a second to dip 10 mm into the product container. The remaining stroke of 200 mm was used to move to the cleaning position and to cover the different heights of the product containers. The entire machine is subject to intensive washdown, and the application requirements were a stroke of 220 mm and a speed of 102 mm per second. The all-in-one design of the IMA-S Hygienic Actuator was a great fit for this application. The IMA-S is built to order with stroke lengths up to 457 mm and speeds up to 500 mm per second. Since the actuator is positioned vertically, an integrated brake was built into the IMA-S for additional safety. The IMA-S is a hygienically designed integrated electric servo actuator for the food and beverage processing industry. The IP69K rated design features all 316 stainless steel construction, and the hygienic fasteners and cord grips are ideal for open machine designs. The IMA-S Hygienic Integrated Servo Actuator has a range of features from skewed windings to minimize cogging torque, a low electric time constraint motor for a quick response time, and welded polished joints to create exceptionally hygienic seams, in addition to wear-resistant blue gaskets and O-rings. The main customer benefit from this application was the hygienic design for washdown protection, integrated compact size motor, integrated brake and a fast product changeover with no need to change mechanical cams and stops. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this product or have a similar application, please use the contact information on the screen or in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with all of our videos.